Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is here to end that frustration for good. What makes AirTag special is its precision finding capability, leveraging ultra-wideband technology to guide you directly to your lost item with incredible accuracy. Imagine seeing the exact distance and direction right on your iPhone screen, making frantic searches a thing of the past. Truly a game changer. Setting up your AirTag couldn't be easier. Simply tap it to your iPhone, give it a name, and you're ready to track in seconds. And don't worry about minor mishaps. These trackers are water and dust resistant with an IP67 rating, so a little splash or dirt won't stop them. Integrated seamlessly into the Apple Find My network, your AirTag can even be located by millions of other Apple devices if it's far away, offering unparalleled global tracking. For anyone constantly misplacing valuables, these Apple AirTags are an absolute must-have investment, easily preventing hours of stress and potential replacement costs. If you're looking for the best Bluetooth tracker to keep tabs on your important belongings, you can find the Apple AirTag 4-pack right now via the Amazon link in our description. Don't wait until you've lost something irreplaceable. Secure your peace of mind and get this essential electronics upgrade today. Seriously, the Apple AirTag 4-pack is the ultimate solution for never losing track of your essentials again, making it our top recommendation for 2025.